Again.
I've got a question for you. When you think of the word Forex, what
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hello everyone. Let me see if you guys can hear me. La 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 la. Oh shit. I want to see if you guys can hear me. Where is YouTube? Yup. Hey, I'm not Indian, but yes, you can hear me. Nice. Okay, cool. Let me just do the chat thingy so everyone can, watch and shit. Where is OBS? Yeah, here. Alright, give me a sec. Alright, so guys, let's jump into the charts and see what we have for today. So as you can see, for today's news, we don't have much. Let's see on this one. 23rd October today. We have absolutely nothing. We have just 3 bill auctions in this. These should not actually affect you that much. Now let's jump on charts essentially and see what we have here. So this is let me make it bigger so for everyone can see. Okay, this is the 5-minute and this is the 30-minute, right? Now as you can see, price ended up pushing to the highs. Let me do some drawings. As you can see, price ended up breaking this 1960s level. As you can see, before this, and price ended up reacting at these levels and then coming down to 1945 before having a push ultimately, and once we broke, we ended up pushing massively to the highs. This is mainly due to the tensions that's going around and the fact that the yield prices and everything else is also pushing up. As you can see, at the same time, gold is pushing up, dollar is also pushing up. So this just gives us an understanding of what the world economy is and what we've been doing. You can see VIX is currently going above 18 and recently broke 21 today. which gives us a lot of understanding on where price on safe havens like gold, yen, Swiss franc are going to go. Remember, USD, if the United States is not in the conflict, the United States dollar will start pushing up, as it's the one of the biggest safe havens in the whole world. And the main thing after all of them, the biggest safe haven is gold. We have, and for currencies, it's USD, Swiss franc, and yen. Japanese yen is very stable, and due to that, because of that, we have a lot of money inflows coming in. Let me see 21. Tell us about buy or sell. All right, cool. Buy or sell. All right, so we can see that price on safe haven assets like gold will push up. Now we have pushed up to 1997, which has been a very historic high. Let me mark this out. Okay, let me mark this out and I'll put it on the charts. Let me draw some lines for you guys. All right. Okay, so let's go on the daily, right? Now, as you can see, price 1997 is a very historic demand zone. Let me do the drawing and all. All right, now 1997, 1990s is a whoa. Why is it stuck? Yo. Okay, something's wrong. Give me a minute. Oh shit. Oh man, this is not gonna go now. Give me a minute. Let me close this app and then open it again. Just stopped working for no reason. This is usually having a lot of issue. Fin, yeah, let's go. Epic pen. All right, let's see if it opens up. All right, it works hopefully now. All right, so as we can see, what the hell, man? Again, same thing. 1990. What's going on? What? I've done this. I'm just gonna use this thing. Alright, 1997. I said 1997 8 times. 1997 levels. As you can see, price has had a lot of reactions at this area. We ended up reacting here. We ended up reacting here. Once price ended up closing below this level. Once price ended up pushing to the all-time highs, which is 2060, 2070. Once price came down, reacted at 97, we ended up coming down. Same thing here. Price ended up breaking this level. Once we started having some reactions around this level, here, multiple times. Once we ended up breaking, once price ended up breaking, we had that reaction and coming down. We ended up coming down further. Now we are reacting at the same level on the daily. With these price points, you have to understand these are very historic demand levels. So for entry points, never enter at around 97, 98, 96. These levels are very historically strong levels. As you can see, price has had very strong reaction. So for price where to enter, let's go. All right, now let's go on this. These pullbacks are completely normal. As you know, gold has its pull-ups and then comes down to react at certain levels before having reactions. It's Astroverse guy in come on, man, like, don't violate me like that. Well, anyways, now let's go on what we can see, right? Price pushed up, reacted at a strong level, came down, did a retest of 1945, pushed up. Same thing, reacted in 1990s, 1997, came down, reacted at 1965, a very strong level. We are reacting at the same point and pushing up. What I don't want to see is gold coming and closing below 1970s, 75s, and then coming down further. Then we will have a shift in market structure for a short period of time, unless we get more news during the war of other countries joining in, and more fear coming into the markets. It's because 1997 is quite a strong level. So what we can expect, buys above 81.5, sells below 75s. But you have to be careful on what price does. Okay, now you can see in terms of lower time frames, this is the 5-minute, right? In the 5-minute, price has been ranging quite strongly at between between 90. Oh my god, what's wrong with this app? Bugger. Alright, fuck this shit. Price has been doing some decent reactions at these levels. Let's change this to what the hell is main long. Price has had decent reactions between 81 to 85, and it's accumulating orders. Now what we want in terms of price action is price closures above 82s, 81s with retests of 81, and then push for price to push up. This is for a buy scenario. Now for a sell side scenario, we need price to come down, break all of this, break this demand level, which is historically, which has been holding up decently. Once we break that 75 level, come down, do a retest of 75, and then push down, we can cash it to 864s and below. So we have to wait for fake PC spotted. Yeah, thanks. We need to see and wait what price does next, and then once we get decent reactions at these levels, then we make a decision. Now I'm gonna jump in the 1-minute time frame and see what price has been doing. You can see price is just ranging at these levels. It's not showing any signs of one-sided liquidity, one-sided direction, so it doesn't make sense for us to just jump in. What you could have done in terms of price action, and if you came earlier, you could have had an entry at 75, so you can see price has had decent reactions, and just kept it to 81 and further. But for now, we need to wait and see what price does next. If you want to have high risk, high reward entries, once price breaks above this level, let me mark it out here. Once price breaks above 79, 80s, then 80 would be better. 80 round numbers, remember, always round numbers are just better, and that's where algos and these get activated. So once price breaks above 80, you can have high risk, high reward entries, something like this, and then buys further up. But till now, wait, since it's 9, 9, 10, 9, 8, 9, 12 like that, wait for 950, 930, and then further once we get more liquidity coming in. Now, one reason that I'm saying certain things that are like, you know, acting up is the fact that US30 has pushed up, ended up pushing up to ended up pushing up to 34,000, and ended up having a massive reaction and coming down further. We're right now at below 33k. During NYSE open and at 9:30 AM, we can have perfect sells below straight away, below 32,900. And if you want to have a better reactions, just if you want to have like better entries, but it's very risky, enter at these 3950s, but 32,950. But for me, I'm gonna wait for 32,900 at these levels, and then wait and see what price does, and then get my reactions and entries. Price has been moving beautifully on US30, and it's been just acting like perfectly. Now remember, we have other news tomorrow. We have flash PMI on GBP, we have German and French PMI for Euro, we have flash services and flash manufacturing PMI on USD. So it's a very strong day. Remember, Euro USD, pound USD, JPY, all of these are pairs are like gonna be affected, so you gotta know what time they are. For the people who are doing London session, do not have any entries between until like 4:30. I would say after that it will be perfect. And Lagarde going to be speaking and giving their monetary policy, but they're going to be keeping the same thing. They're going to be basically saying the same shit again and again, because it's just like they have been doing the same thing multiple times every single month. They're like, oh, we're looking at price action, or not price action, we're looking at what the data is showing, and we doubt we're going to be increasing rates. It's not that big of a deal, right? Every single month they're talking, inflation is a bit high, but we have seen reactions at these price points, whatever. So it's not that going to be changed unless they come and say, oh, we're going to increase rates for like the next few months because we believe that inflation is going to be 200% or something like that. Okay. Yo guys, how you guys doing? Now, I'm not a scammer. Go, you go third, you do your third soup. Stacko, what's up, boy? Nav, how you guys doing? How you guys ever? 27 viewers, I know, right? I'm a scammer. What? Hey, bro, these guys are like melons. They just say random stuff to just annoy me. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, now for Dixie, we have been seeing some. Let me just try to open it up on Bloomberg and show you guys something. I'll show you some headlines. Let me see if these headlines matter. Now, remember, let me remove the bookmarks. Okay, so as you guys can see, the Bloomberg, they just came out with a. Please go and read this if you can do it. 10-year yield breaches 5%. Let me just show it to you on charts. All right, U.S. economy, U.S. 5-year, 10-year. Well, wait for NYSE. Once we ended up breaking this 5% level, this is like quite a strong level. Let's go on historically and see what price has been doing. This is for 10-year government bonds. You can see during 2006, 2007, we ended up having reactions at 5.2%, and we were almost at the same levels, and it's been pushing up quite high, and this is with expectations of inflation being high and interest rates being high for a longer period of time. Oh, I just wrapped. Okay, yeah, so whoa. Why is it 2? Why is there 2? Okay, 81.5, 72, 70 is a stronger level, 72, and then yeah. So yeah, these are my levels. Please have a look. Why are the 2 for multiple ones? Oh shit, this is the wrong one. Let's go Dixie. Okay, let's go back to this. Now, you can see price ended up rejecting this 80 level. And this was expected, but we need to wait and see what price is going to do next. 81.5 for safe buys, yes, perfect. And 70 to 75 and 70 for sales, perfect. Yeah, exactly. I just mentioned that, and you said the same thing. Nice. Guys, follow Stack Gold on Twitter. It's really good. Oh, and also I want to show you guys something. Join this. Just. Join the Discord below. It's my Discord that I added, and yeah, let me bring this down. Why is it like that? Oh, whoa, what was that? Don't join. All right, cool. Thank you. All right, cool. So this is the Discord that I've been showing. Look, you can see I have my levels there, and then it ends up showing these levels. It says, oh, price is at this, and you can see it's the same thing as here. I've added alerts so everyone can have the similar levels as mine. Yeah. So if you guys can join, it wouldn't be bad. And then I will also add levels like these where I'll be like, okay, buys above. Let me just add that here. Let me mark it out. Okay. Yeah, you will get something like this where it says, oh, price is at this level, look for sales. And yeah, and then if I have some certain levels like this, I'm gonna show it, and I'm gonna be like, okay, look for price points at these levels, and then have and yeah, look for sales, so you guys can get alerts. Let me change this to 75.5. Yeah, I'm looking for sells here and buys above 81.5. So I can just like, you don't mark it out and then you guys can see it. Something like this. Look, it says, oh, look for sells at 75 level. Look for buys at this level. Look for sells at this level. Like you can see in the past. And I have the same thing for US30 at like a certain price points, Dow Jones and everything else. Yeah. Now let's go on Nasdaq. No need. Yeah, this is just breaking these levels. Once price breaks 32,850, look at what price. The 900 will be nicer sells. But if you wait for 850s, you will have like perfect confirmation of what price is gonna do next. We have 10 more minutes. Don't do any trades now. Stack Gold's Twitter is Stack Gold. Follow me on Twitter too, guys. Yeah. Follow me on Twitter. I post a lot of different things. I just make fun of people, and I do that. Also, I write, oh, okay, mortgage rates are this high. What do we expect? I mean, I said this on that day, 18th of October. Let's see what happened on 18th of October. Here, this was the date. Yep, you can see what 10 p.m. This is p.m. Why is this p.m.? 18th of October at 3 p.m. right? I mentioned that I expect price gonna do what, and then, well, you can see what price did. I mark out trade ideas and expectations, and I also send them here. I also explain like different things, and then you like kind of landscape what CPI is and what they are, whatever. So just follow me. I also like, if you have any questions, you can ask me on Twitter. Why is there only 33 people? Does anyone have any questions? Semi-popular. I invited my whole family. Nice. Cutie. Oh my god. Okay. Sure win. Guys, wait for price to do whatever. Oh, and for GJ, remember, pound yen has been in a stupid range recently, and it's just reacting at 181 to 182. I've mentioned this multiple times in the past. Yeah, so guys, send me your trade ideas. Remember, okay, you think we made the double bottom for the weekly? It doesn't matter. So let's say, for example, let me try to give you an example what I mean, right? Okay, so it's good for you guys to get some membership. Like, this is not that expensive. See, you can see it says military, Israel hit military with airstrike. If you get headlines like this and then says US military bolsters its military presence at this time, and then says, oh, we're joining, bro, it doesn't matter. There's no bottom wick or top wick. It's just gonna push. It really doesn't matter. You have to realize price moves because of certain reasons, not because of bottom wicks or double bottoms or like weekly candles. Yes, technicals matter, sorry. Yes, technicals matter. Yes, price reacts at certain levels. You have to realize price movement has its reasoning. The reason price ended up going to 1965, well, you can look in the past. It's simple. The investors never want to enter prices where it's too high. Why? Because they won't make a lot of profit, so they close out their positions at, for example, 97, 90, 98, 8.5, and they wait for better price points of interest. It's called PPI. You can search it, or just you can search what PPI is. You can search. It's what? Oh, what the hell? I don't know why it's saying what. See here you can see abbreviations, what PPI stands for. It's a simple thing: price point, primary point of interest, plans of oversight, integration, whatever. They want to get a better price point, and they usually get in at prices with round numbers, and you can see how price reacts at those levels. So for example, these traders, they have analysts, they have quantitative analysts. They're called quants. These guys analyze the markets and they get the best price point. Now, for you to get better price points, you can see how price reacts at those levels. Once we broke 70s, you can just see how price reacted. Once we broke 75, look at the reactions. We ended up not breaking 65. What happened? We ended up pushing up further and further. These levels are there for a reason, and they usually react at round numbers like 75, 81, 82, not 82, 80, 70, 70, 65. These levels, I'm quite, yeah, Stago, you're not. What's the best site for war news? Just use Bloomberg, Reuters. These websites are all for free, and you can. Bloomberg is a bit paid, and Reuters is for free. Investopedia, you can see Israeli soldiers skirmish with whatever. Continue with the supporting it. Argentina is thinking of running their. Argentina is looking into completely changing their currency from Argentinian dollar or whatever it's called, pesos or whatever, to completely using USD. Now, if you go buy, like, for example, if you want to do like stocks, you can just go to the section where it says stocks and then read about the individual stocks of Argentinian peso or whatever, pesos. Yeah, and these are like websites that are free, or just search CNBC markets. You can just search, and then it gives you a perfect updates on what price is gonna do next and what they're planning on. You can press FX and then cryptos or whatever, and then you can just like, okay, Euro USD, and then press, like, for example, any of them, where find something that's actually decent, like Euro USD, right? You can see their news, what they're expecting, and these guys, they are not like stupid people. They have understanding of what the whole world economy is. Anyways, we have 4 more minutes up to the 9:30 open. Wait for reactions, either it sells below here or buys above here. That's literally, that's all you have to wait for. Let me write sells below 1975.5. all right, wait for reactions, and that's it. Don't just enter out of nowhere and then expect. Teach COT reports. I mean, COT reports are not bad, but I don't think a lot of people will understand them. Okay, let me go and just show. It's not that important for most people, but if you're trading, sure. I've shown this in the past. If you guys want to like go learn what the financial markets are doing in the financial future, these are for the previous week, and you can see October 17th, and they're expecting what they're doing. So for example, Canadian dollars is for FX. Now you can change this and like let's remove this and then go back. Market data at CFTC, and then go to commitment of traders, and then you can see agriculture, metals, and long formats. So you press this, and then you can see interest, palladium, platinum, silver, gold. Okay, now you can see merchants and producers and processors and users. What they're doing, they've been shorting more, right? For example, that's what they've been doing. Swap dealers, these are the banks and the investors, and these one. Managed money is the hedge funds, and the reportables are like just the small like companies and stuff. Non-reportables are usually the what's this thing called, the retailers, right? So swap dealers are looking for shorts. Where did they enter? Probably at 1970s, 1990s, 1980s, and they're expecting price to come down further. This is like, you can just go have a read on what these are, and then you can go to reportables, and then there's so many explanations of what these things are, financials, and then you can see what the Chicago Merchant Exchange is doing. This is like specific ones, legacy reports, and then each one has an explanation of what these things are. Ugh. Okay, I've been like rapping, I swear, I'm tired. Okay, should I buy? Is that a TXT file? No, it's just an HTML file. I mean, similar to a TXT file. Yeah, I called you dumb. What are you gonna do about it? Come on, fight me, boy. So for expectations for this week, so now what do I expect? So basically, if price ends up reacting at and breaking above 1980s, and more news coming out and saying, oh, US is gonna join, China is gonna join, Russia, or any big boy, any country from the Eurozones, they joined the war, they fund the war, or anything similar to that, we can expect gold to break 1997s and go to 2000s, 2040s, 2050s. But for that to happen, we need a lot of push and a lot of liquidity. Plus, we need also at the same time, if we can get, more news showing that the US economy is slowing down. But the look of it, it's not as much. And you can see that they're just showing continuous reports of it being actually quite decent. So this is actually not bad. And yeah, they're expecting a bit lower, but not by much, and it's not that different. And it's as long as it's still above 50, indicates industry expansion, which is decent, even though it's not that high. But yeah, we can expect price to push up further on dollar. So when okay, what happened? Content US30 is at 33,000. So now you can see the alerts just pushed up. Yep, and you guys get it. You can, if you guys join, you can see this. Oh, US30 is at 33,000. So after this, and then you can see the same levels as mine. Okay, wait for 9:30. Now 9:30 has opened up. Now let's jump in the lower time frames. You can see nice reactions straight at these levels. Price started to reject. Once price breaks these levels, once price breaks 32,900, 930s, we can see price coming down further. This is for US30. We need price. I would personally want price to go down to 32,900 and break. If not, we can get the 32,850, and these would be even better, cleaner sells. Remember, this is just the beginning of the week. Don't try to overtrade for no reason. And yeah, let me change from the daily. Okay, so in terms of market and price action, what has been gold price has been doing, you can see double tops here, multiple rejections here, price reacted here. What can we expect? Price to come down further. Now, what are your confirmations? Wait for the confirmations below 75. This candle has no top wick, but it's best to wait for some sort of reaction or like a top wick to be formed, then enter. I would personally want price to do something as reactions at 81.5, come down below 75 and breaks below, and then enter. It would make the trade much safer, much more valid, and shows of proof that price is going to push down further. And at the same time, we have like pushed from 1997 down to 65 in like a couple of candles. So we need to wait and see how price does next. The good thing is, once we break out of this range, either above or below, we're gonna have clear signs of where price is gonna go next. So buys or sells now. Wait for sells below 97.5 and buys above 81.5. Simple. For the past few weeks, for the past, I can't say month and a half, trades are much cleaner at 10 a.m. So if we get 10 a.m. opened, it will be really nice. Yeah, I can see. I'm seeing price reactions at 78.5. I expected some reactions. I said safe, high risk, high reward. Buys above here, so like sells above, below here. But I just don't want to enter straight away. I want to see price perfectly break and show me signs of break of structure, and then just enter. 10 a.m. fair value gap, brother. Don't do man. Mudhid signal. What the hell? Sell now? No, don't sell now. It's at 75.5. Like, wait, it hasn't broken, brother. Wait for price order block. Yes, this is an order block. Once price breaks an order block, we have good reactions. Why? Because it's an accumulation of orders. Once price breaks that, what does that happen? One-sided liquidity, and everyone's just entering that position and for that direction. Yeah, good reactions at 75.5. Wait and see. I need proper proof of price breaking. I don't like the fact that we have multiple candles of that are coming down straight away, and this candle is showing it being weaker. So this, I need, if price ends up reacting and coming down to these levels and then coming down, even better. Something like this. That would even be nicer, but we need to see and wait. I'm not just gonna enter straight away. You can see having how many reactions around these levels. Price ended up coming down, reacted, pushed up. Wait for your confirmations. Wait for closures below. Once price breaks below, even if you enter at 74.5, it's even more safe. But yeah, okay, now it's look at the reactions. If you entered now, you would have been down 10-20 pips. What's yours? Okay, he with MFF. Okay, cool. I use FXTM, guys. I use IC markets or FXTM. He got slipped to hell, brother. What, me? I didn't have a trade over the weekend. Yep, beautiful reactions at these levels. Price comes and closes below. Not bad. The bad thing is this candle just closed no bottom wick, so we need to see what happens next. Wait and see. Right? Yeah. I don't like it when price is just not in a range and not showing any signs of like reaction. So anyways, once we have a reaction at these levels and comes and closes below, stop loss should be around 15 to 20 pips. I would say about 20 wouldn't be bad, and then you can grab the lows up to 1970s and it wouldn't be bad. So wait for price to, okay, we had an alert. Wait for the react. Oh shit, never mind. Yeah, expected something to happen, but straight away, not really. It's fine. Okay, don't worry, it's fine. We can have still reactions. Price is reacting these levels. If price comes up and then comes back down, it's even better. Not bad. And yeah, US30 they're reacting at these level and then started like perfectly reacting and then pushing down. 930 opened up, came down. Same thing with Nasdaq, reaction at 14,500. Where is it? 14,500, came down. Wait for price to show you where it's going to go. And we all remember Dixie is at 106. It's a strong level. It hasn't broken it multiple times. Once price breaks 106.5, considering the fact that we don't have news today, it's mainly just price action. So you have to be logical about the trades that you're doing. This is actually quite nice. This is actually quite decent. The next candle pushes up, comes below, breaks, retest, and then we have a entry at 75. Stop loss 15-20 pips. We can catch the lows below 70s. Girlfriend reveal today. Yeah, it's yeah, I'm gonna chat. Okay, you know what? I was gonna say something, but then it's kind of mad. Cam, stop doing this to me. Nice reactions. The good thing is, remember, price moves in pattern, like not a pattern, like in a sense, in like waves, right? We can see price doing something like this. Now this is actually quite decent, but we need to wait for reactions and what price does. Okay, man's putting some Indian music. What the hell? I'm not Indian, you twat. Literally, Nav's Indian. His name is Navdeep. Like, come on. What confirmation would you need for sales? Like, actually, this is quite decent. So, for example, like something like this. Now, price pushes up a bit to around these levels and then comes down. Not bad. Considering the fact that we're showing better signs of stronger bearish candles, it's quite good. If anyone entered below 70s, it's not bad to keep it. As long as we don't close above 76, you can keep the trade. But for me to enter, it was quite like a rapid straight away. Now this is actually decent. So for me, an entry would be below this, something like this. Stop loss around here, and then entry below these levels, and then catch it to 70s and 65s. Now I need to see what price does. I'm not just gonna enter straight away. I'm not gonna enter at the reactions at levels here because this will be cancelled out. Fully engulfed candles are not good. We need to see what price does. If this candle ends up closing at like in the middle of the range, like in the middle of this candle, I'm gonna have a sell stop or like an entry below these areas. Okay, so we need to see what price does. Yes, this is actually quite perfect. An entry once price ends up. Give me a minute. Okay, Once price ends up breaking this candle, it's actually really nice for entries. Just wait for this 5 minute to close. Okay, the good thing is this 5 minutes is going to be closing below. We need this to close above below here. That's just a requirement, or else it's just a bit invalid. Wait for price candles to close, then if it doesn't, then means the wick is bigger than the candle's body, which gives us bad signs of bad reactions, right? We need to see how and why prices, where price is going to go. We need price to close below 74.5, 74.8. If not, just wait for better signs of entries, right? And you can see, no, this is, so guys, this is a 5 minute, this is a 30 minute, right? You can see it's 30 minutes here. Now you can see, yes, exactly, we can replicate these candles again multiple times. You can see price ends up closing below above this zone, above here, reactions, and pushed up. Now what we need to do is go down to the lower time frame, like the 1 minute, see what price does around these levels, and then enter. Now let's see. Oh shit, straight away pushing, nice. Okay, it's not bad. The good thing is the bullish candles are quite weak, retests of 75 and then pushing further down. Now this candle should not essentially reject and push up further. Yeah, this is actually not good in terms of price action. This is just not showing good signs. The bad thing is the bearish candles are getting weaker, and the bullish candles are also doing the same thing. And we're just replicating what happened here. We're just like doing up and down. So we need better price points. Let's see what happened on US30. Same thing with US30. US30 is just reacting at these levels. Mamma mia. All right. Now 5 minute closes below, candle closes below this level, we can have nice sells. Entry would be around here, stop loss would be about 40 points, and you can have nice entries and then keep that trade running to 32,600. You could easily cash this. Once price breaks 32,850, we can have like perfect setup for coming down to the lows. Yeah, this is actually quite nice. Just need to wait for the reactions. I need a strong sign. This is actually still fine. We need price to close below here, then it's not bad. Yeah, price ended up closing below, which is quite decent. The moment we have a break of 73.8, we will have strong reactions, and like price could just come down, push hard. Wait and see what price does. Okay, we need to see how price reacts once we break this or close below. This is actually quite good, but if the next candle is bullish and closes above this, close the trade. That would just show bad signs of like price runner just not showing good, like it wouldn't be really good. US30. So for US30, price ended up closing below. We can see it's reacting at these levels. If once price breaks this, we will have strong pushes. Yep, as expected. I had an entry around this level. Would be like, if you had an entry around this level, it wouldn't be bad. We don't need to see any more bullish candles. Price comes and closes below 32,850, we can just have nice melts coming down to 30,600. Okay, this is actually quite decent, and gold just broke this level and melted straight away. There's if you had an entry, you should have had an entry at below this level, below 73.5. Now this is a strong level. Now 32 is quite strong. Price reacted around here. We need price to close below, or else there's no random entries. Same thing for US30. Price should not close above this level. If it does, we can have reactions and pushing up further, right? Play word or no? No, it's time to pay the market its dues. Should I hold? As per your signals, I'm in a buy. What? Are you buying now? Are you insane? I have been saying sells like 8 times. Man's buying. Told you I was gonna dump. It was playing to fair play, mate. Okay, now the good thing about US30 is the next candle comes and breaks this low. We're gonna have nice reactions and coming further down, but we don't need to see price and close above 33k. This just fully cancels out. Now it's just moving as like let me just show you, up down up down up down, and just reactions. We should not see price reacting and closing above 33,000. Whoever bought is insane. Smash the like, thanks guys, just like it and join the discord. I think I'm pretty sure you guys got the, this was the nice entry. So the only nice entry was a 75.5, but hey, it was quite fast. Wait for entries now. You guys can see look for sales at 75.50. I mean, did anyone join? Double bottom at 470-44 area, we push straight through. Yeah, but that could happen. We need liquidity. Like, we need proper reactions. The good thing is right now price is just acting like this. It's quite decent. Comes down, retest. As long as we don't close above 74, we can have price coming down. Okay, now we should not close below 74. We have to just like do our reactions, come down straight away, push. If we have reactions, it would be like quite shitty. It wouldn't be good for market structure. Yeah, liquidity was only taken the same area, pushed to 2064. Yeah, we see, look now for 97, right? Last time we ended up closing and breaking above 97. I have levels for everything. We ended up closing above these levels, right? Above 97. Look how price reacted, pushed straight away, like came down. Like, well, let's go find another one that pushed. It wasn't like a bullish structure. These are usually during the times of some sort of war, or like people worrying about, because COVID before that. We closed above 1997, push straight away. It's simple market structure. The only problem is it's just like reactions. Yeah, this is quite good. It's good. Closures below 70, perfect. Price closes below here, even better, not bad. Wait, 15 minute has a top wick. Once we flip, it wouldn't be bad for entries. This is also not bad. We need to wait for closures at this area. Once price closes, we can have an entry even here, but this would just be a bit riskier compared to the entry at 75. It would be like something like this. Not enter now. This is not me showing entries. This is just showing the stops. This is showing where the stops should be. I expected some sort of thing like this to happen. We need price to close below 72. US30 rejections. Yeah, good. The good thing is it's rejecting off of this area. Now, let me talk about gold first. Now, first gold, I would personally, because this is like quite small, I would want it to make a decent top wick, and then entries would be like just a bit higher, to around the 50% correction of the previous candle. Or else just the entry would just won't like be as safe, and price could just react and close and retrace. Nav, I see the reasoning you're looking at. So Nav just ended up showing his chart, and he's looking at buys around 1953. It's not bad. It's actually quite a decent trade, mostly due to the fact that price did previously have an accumulation of orders. Once price broke, we ended up having a nice reactions. I would personally want entries at around 53 and 50s. I want to see price go to 50, then reactions at 53 or 56, then have an entry. So we'll have to wait and see what price does. Yeah, this is the reason I said don't enter straight away. For US30, it's still showing signs. We should. Price ended up closing below retest and ended up not closing below this level. We are now at 33,000. And for Dixie, we're just reacting at 106.200. If price rejects, comes closes below 106, we can see gold pushing up further, right? Remember, this could be just better price points of entry for gold to push up. Yeah, let's just, let me show you what I mean. Just you can see how price has been doing like decent reactions at these levels. Okay, we could just have nice reactions and then price ended up pushing multiple test zones. 65 ended up testing, 70 tested. Now once price breaks above 75 and then 81, we can even catch to 97. It's just that I don't think we have a lot of liquidity for today at least. Now don't enter any more sells around this level. Let me just delete this just in case people see it. Alright. Now wait, just wait for reactions. For US30, the good thing is price reacting at 33,000. Now if we have the next candle coming down closing quite strong, we can have again sells below 32,900. These are very high risk, high reward sells. High risk, high reward sells. Remember, you could have an entry here, but it could just be a high risk, high reward sells. Remember, price could just on the 30-minute massive reactions. Previous 30 closed below. Yes, we ended up breaking. We ended up breaking this too. But price could just still push up. Okay, and also remember 33,000 is a very strong level. Very, very strong level. You need to see how price reacts. Okay, now wait for how the 5-minute closes. This is quite decent. If you have an entry at this level, it's just a bit risky. Rainmaker, pick up the phone. I don't have your number, boy. The bottom wicks don't really matter when there's a lot of liquidity, my guy. This is actually the good thing is, yeah, it closed no bottom wick, but also we just reacted at 70s. Mate, your mic, what's wrong? Hello? Oh, can you hear me now? My phone's not ringing, my phone's not even near. Oh, shit, okay. How is it doing that? I just have my phone off. Now, is it good? Give me a sec. I'm sending signals to that gold will fall. You're sending signals. Okay. Hey, is it now better? Hello, is it still happening? I don't know, I have no static beside me. There's absolutely nothing. Let me see it on my phone. Just give me a second, let me mute myself. Alright, give me a sec. Guys, is it better now? I have the thing off. I have no message, no nothing. Not really. Tunuk, yes. Tunuk. Nope. Lama, what? Let me just use my headphones then. Give me a minute. The quality is just a bit shit here.
Hello. Alright, can you guys hear me now? I hope it should be. Yeah, okay. How's it? Bro, I'm using Razer microphone and headphones. I have literally Razers on everything. Play this. I'm not playing random music you guys send me because I'm scared. Tunuk tunuk. Oh, bro, listen. Refresh your CJ. How's it now? How's it now? How's it now? El mic. What? Yeah, bathroom it is. Oh my god. Is it? Is it that bad? Mandamas are just violating me like that. I see how it is. I'm getting violated. Hello, hello. Let me hear myself, which I don't want to do. Hey, it sounds decent. It sounds okay. It's just a lot of yeah, fun. Okay, now we're having reactions that just allow it. Shut up, dickheads. Okay, so we're having nice reactions at 97, uh, 1975. Now we need to wait for 10 a.m. If 10 a.m. ends up closing below, the next candle also on US30 closes below, we can have nice sales. We need to wait for the reactions. This is quite good. It's actually really decent. Let's see on the 5 minute how it looks. Yeah, you can see previous 5 minute did a break and retest. It's just doing a nice retest of 75.5. This candle closes below. 1 hour also closes below. Let's see 1 hour, right? Now 1 hour ends up closing below this level. We still can grab that till 70s. If we price ends up closing below 70, even better. It's just a matter of like, will it do that? I need price to I need price on in terms of sales to be much stronger. You're making me hungry. Oh, sounds like CS:GO simulator. Nah, man's trading and taking it. Bro, I'm not. I'm using the stupid microphone. Let's see. See, I have EQ microphone. I have no nothing. Mic noise cancelling. Okay, how's it now? Does it sound better? Hello? Does it sound better? Hello, hello? Okay, let me put vocal clarity. Wait, no, vocal clarity. How's it now? It should be better. I feel like it should be better. Yeah, it sounds better. Yeah, I don't care. Live with it. Humans are violating too much. Just your hype. We may never take a trade today. You can, bro. I said I called out sales below 75. You couldn't take it below. It's your problem. I said if price reacts these levels or breaks this, you can see a drop. I mean, what you want me to give you the sell stop, L limits, and everything? It's 30 pips here. If you entered here, it would have been an extra 40, 40, 50 pips. You're too slow. That's not my problem, innit? No, what did I say? I said sells below these levels, ended up breaking and ended up reacting. You could have caught sells and buys on US30. You're insane if you're grabbing buys and sells. It's just stupid. It's just like, oh, I want to buy, I want to sell for no reason. Oh shit, now it's gonna make it worse. I'm not Indian. Oh no, 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 no. Bro, what do you mean take? Oh, let me connect the other mic again. Fuck off. Let me try to connect the other mic. I hate you all. Indian confirmed. I'm not one of you. Don't. I do not associate. Let me change my mic.
Hello? Yeah. How's it now? Ah, freaking A. It's in the DNA better. Alright, cool. I changed my mic back. Cool, cool. Stop asking me to play Tunuk Tunuk. Hey, big up my cousins. I hate you, all of you. Ooh. Let's see what the markets are saying, sir. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Military hits, nothing new in a sense. Latest dealmaker surge turns October business MMA. Storm threaten. Is London 7? What? Money managers with 100 trillion confront end of bull market. Huh? What, 127? Why does it say 100 trillion? Yeah, wait for 10 a.m. 10 a.m. ended up just okay. So okay, now let's see what happened. 10 a.m. just opened up straight away, and the 1 hour just ended up closing below. Let me change this to random something. Okay, 1 a.m. 10 a.m. opened up. We're now reacting. Now, once price breaks above 75.5, we could see price pushing up further. It's in a range. As long as we're in a range, it would be bad if we come back closing above. It wouldn't be bad for entries, but it's just in a bad range, right? It doesn't mean you can't catch entries. It just means it's in a range. So if we close above, we can grab like a very high risk, high reward buys. But it's just like, hey, if you want to do that, do that. It's a 20, 25 pip, 24 pip SL. And then entries would to like 81 and 88. But for now, we will have to wait and see. Considering the fact that Dixie ended up rejecting 106.2 and the and we're reacting at these levels, we may see price breaking 106 and pushing down further. We could just mimic that, come down to 105, 500 before pushing up further. Now for US30, price is also reacting at these at 33,000, considering the fact that the previous ended up closing no top wick on the hourly, and it's also at a very strong level. Here around these levels, we could see price coming down to below 33,000 and then pushing down further. But remember, look at price, what has happened in the past at 32,800, 32,900. Reactions pushed up, so we have to be careful on what we want to do. Look at how many times price has pushed down. And yeah. Can you guys hear me even? Okay. Tunuk, yes, tunuk. Oh my god. This is actually quite good, this considering the fact that it has no top wick, but hey. Yes, all good. Alright, cool. Name me any other speakers, any other YouTube that streams, a YouTuber that streams that makes jokes and everything, and at the same time teaches you stuff. But it's different out here, brother. Yep. Price closes above, we can have nice entries for buys. This ended up closing below, but remember, this candle body is smaller than the candle's wick. It's smaller than the wick. This is actually usually bad signs of price action, and the price could just push to the other direction. Once price closes above, I'm saying it again, closes above 75, we may see price going up. Now you make your own decisions on the entry. I'm not gonna give an entry. All right, cool. Father JXR, where is JXR? Is he here? I've not seen him for a long time. I said price goes down below 70. If price goes above 75 and stays there, we could see price going up to 81 and then having reactions. Bro, I'm gonna, you guys are making my blood pressure high. The bearish candles are quite weaker. If we have like a double top around here, We have a double top here showing signs, and then we can have an entry below this. It will be beautiful, but we need to see what price does in it. Okay, how do I delete this? Alright. Still no reason to enter buys. Bro, I'm not tired of streaming. I'm cool. Don't worry. You're Indian. Okay, I'm Middle East. Okay, I'm not Middle Eastern. Just give me a sec. I'm Chinese, bro. Do you have any beginner video just to start trading? Just go here. It's baby pips. Start with this. Yeah. It's okay. Wait, just 1 second. I'll show you. This is actually not bad. We need to see what price does on the 5-minute. Okay. And for GJ, it's just reacting at these levels. If you want clear-cut sans buys above 182, 500, 600, it's not bad, but I don't like trading GJ 1 hour before London close. And for US30, we need to see how price reacts at these levels. And yeah, it's not bad. And 5-minute just opened up on gold. Let's see how it works. Okay, so it's quite strong, but that's 2 candles could not even fully cancel one candle out. Wait and see. You could have nice entries later on. Just no random entries now. Okay, so this is actually quite good. If this candle ends up giving us like a double top type of entry, this fully engulfs, we will have beautiful sells coming down on US30. It's you just have to be how to say, patient for the entry setup to happen. This is good signs of price reacting at these levels. Are you going to open for US? I am US. For us or for US? I don't know what you're talking about, me. This is beautiful on US30. This is actually absolutely beautiful. Wait for reactions at 30 points. The stop loss is about 30 points. Once this candle closes, we can have beautiful reactions coming down to 33,800. Make your own decisions. I'm not giving any entries. You have to make your own decisions. It's no point me giving entries. You just have to make logical choices on your own. Right? If I were you, stop loss should not be higher than this. Now, what you don't want to see is price end up closing above this 33,075. But yeah, and also bullish or like quite strong. We need price to straight away push down. The good thing is price before in the past reacted so many times here and ended up pushing down. 15-minute, 5-minute, and these entries. But yeah, make your own decisions. I'm not giving any entries. Let me open the chat on somewhere. Yeah, you don't want something like this to happen. It's still fine as long as like it closes weak bullish, which is quite decent. It's still okay, I guess, but wait, if you have not entered, wait for an entry below these levels. Price breaks this, price breaks these, and then have an entry below this area. It's just a high risk, high reward type of entry. Now, if this candle closes below this area, it's just like telling you, hey, where I'm gonna go. But if it doesn't, oh, too bad. Wait for another day. And gold is doing the same thing as expected. Reacting, price just not doing anything. Yep. Wait for reactions at 75.5 or 70s. No entries until then. And US30 is looking quite decent. Yeah, it's actually not bad. Price breaks this, we're gonna have nice drops. make your own decisions. I've given out my trade ideas and expectations, and you guys have to make your own decisions. Stop loss, entries, and everything is just on you. If I give the entries, you won't learn nothing. Yeah. DJ is pushing up, closing above and breaking. US30 is just up and down. Gold is in the stupid range. London session on gold was really good. Well, we weren't there. I was in school. Yeah, price ended up retesting it. It still hasn't closed above. It still hasn't closed above. This is just a 5-minute open. Previous 5-minute closed weak. It's still okay, but hey, if it flips, it's actually quite not bad. If price on US30 flips, it's actually not bad. So it would be like a 20 pip SO. Stop loss would be entry would be something like this. As long as price doesn't close above 33,075 80s, it's okay. Yeah, price just ended up breaking this high. We have to see how the price reacts. Don't enter for no reason. Yeah. I expected price to react and then push down, but yeah, it just pushed up straight away. And gold is just still in the range. Dixie is just reacting. We need clear cut signs. It's just bad range. Turn off your bro. How is there? What do you mean microwave? Bro, what's going on? Is it the what? Let me try to do something. I don't know. Let me try to. Oh, it's this stupid phone. A freaking A. Yeah, I moved the other phone away. Is it better? To Netflix. I swear something is wrong with you people. Okay, yeah, perfect. Nice reaction straight away. The 5-minute close below. Yeah. What are you studying in school? Mechanical engineering with robotics. On US30, the entries would be below this, below 33,500. So 50, sorry. Something like that. Wait, coordinates. Remember, everyone's broker is different. So this like it shows at 50 here. My broker shows at 50. Yours my shot 45. So wait and see what price does. Okay. GJ pushed up, broke, but yeah, I'm not gonna trade GJ at these times. But and still, it's looking good, but just personal preference. Reactions. Once price ends up breaking this order block area, it wouldn't be bad. Same thing here, exactly the same. It's just, oh shit. I need to fix this stupid app. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's recently just acting up. Yep, reactions. The 1 hour just flipped. 1 hour just flipped. 30-minute obviously flipped too. If price ends up closing above, not bad. The bad thing is multiple reactions here, here, here. So you gotta be careful. US30 reacting. Oh yeah, so one guy that said he wants to learn Forex, right? If you want to learn Forex, just go to the Pipsyology and stuff. start these thing, or just go here. This is actually not bad. This is very good. He's a really good guy. He knows his stuff. You go to controller FX. See, learn Forex effectively. There is a decent like a area where you could just learn. Why can't I press it? Yeah, and you can just have a small short course and understand what it is, like guides and like sample sizing and whatever. Resources, go to resources, and then you can play templates. The templates there, so many things. You can just join, learn it, and then yeah, it's just a short-term basis, and you can have a decent understanding. And after you want to get to the advanced level, you have to like, and you have to just go to it. You just go to this Investopedia and learn. This is like proper explanations on different things. Like for example, there's stagflation, right? Okay, I can't spell. How to protect from stagflation. What is stagflation? What does this cover? You can learn what stagflation is and what oil is, what inflation is. You learn what recession is. How do you spell recession? Yeah, recession is like this. What is recession? Definition. What it is, causes, and then based on this, what you read here, you go search last recession in USA, for example, because it's based on the economy. June 2009, 2007 to 2009. This is the great financial crisis. Now for this, you go to the charts and see what price has been doing, why it has been doing it, what the Federal Reserve did. Yeah, and you will learn what economics are and what economics is. I also do explanations here. Here I explained what happens during geopolitical tensions in other countries, several financial. This is like explanation of what each one is: the euro, US equities, Japanese yen, and British pound, and what these are, and the equities. This is the US30 and all. So I do explanations too. This is actually not bad for sales on like US30. It's just a bit risky. 15-minute, yeah, quite nice. It's actually nice. 5-minute closes bearish. I might have an entry, like personally. No, it's really nice. And for gold, it's just yeah. If you guys had an entry like around here, it wouldn't have been bad. Like my friend beside me has just entered an entry here. It's just quite a strong like ballsy entry. It's a very good, but the matter is like you have to be vigilant on the price action of what price does next. Now if whoever entered around these levels, if price ends up so listen up, if price ends up closing above 33,060, close the trade and wait for better confirmations. Okay, don't just keep the damn trade because price ends up closing, but considering the fact that this candle closed no bottom wick and the 5 minutes also reacting in these levels, but it's still good. The entry was not bad. If price ends up flipping and breaking these, you can have nice entries coming down further. Can you randomly now go up to 81? I'm very economical. He's throwing bid words, not even a clue what it means. I don't know what it means. Are you insane? Brother, man's dissing me like that. Yeah, so this is the reason I said if price ends up rejecting or closing above, close the damn trade. There's no point. No bottom wick, full engulfed candles. It's just in a range. It's just in a range. So for the people who think it's a double top, it's not really in a sense. That's just a 1 minute. And for a double top to happen, you need no. It's something like this for a double top in a sense, but this was quite weak in quite the fact that they didn't close below here. It was not bad to enter this. It was okay, but for a double top, some sort of thing to happen, we need like a decent reaction, something like multiple candles afterwards. Good thing is his price hasn't closed above 33,100. And GJ is pushing hard, beautifully, 30 pips up already. But yeah, I'm not gonna enter it. And gold's just been a bitch. Bruv, how? Signal, bruv. 35 period. Let's go. Let's get 69. Hey, man. I don't know how I have 30 people watching. And if you go to my previous videos, you guys can have understanding of what everything is. Let me show you what I mean. Here, go watch the old videos I have since there's nothing going on. Go to videos. Why is it loading quite slowly? What the hell? Raja is Nav's favorite person. You can go to market recap, and then I put a lot of effort in these videos. And then just have like I see what I talk about. What US dollar index is display remarkable strength. This is like 3 weeks ago though. Yeah. Okay. So gold is just pushing above 75. Once price closes above, we can have actually nice high risk high reward buys above here. Let's see what this. Let's see the 4 hour though. I didn't check the 4 hour closure perfectly. Yeah, the previous 4 hour closed above 75. Yeah, closed above. Once this candle closes above, we do a bit bad for entries. Are you streaming here every day? I do try my best to do to stream every day. It's just that with my university, the timing is just a bit. It's not like fun to do, you know. It would be very, very hard for me to do. I will try my best to do if I can. So gold is looking quite good. I just don't want this to be quite weak. I don't want this to be weak in the next candle. Yeah, this is just chalked. Yeah. Wait for better price points. Now wait for the 5 minute something to close. The 5 minute closes above. Hey, not bad. As long as this doesn't close above bearish, then it would just be a double topper type of thing. This, again, as I said, this is a high risk, high reward entry, not a entry you should just straight away enter. How's uni going? It's quite hard. I'm trying to do. Thanks, man. Thanks for joining. I'm trying to build a full on car. It's not as fun. I'm building something. It's called this. For a student. I'm building this. It just takes a lot of work and a lot of like designing and shit. Why do you guys put Tunuk? What the hell? Sounds cool. Keep it up. Thanks, man. You can see prices reacting in these levels. Anyways, guys, since there's nothing, just go read these things. I don't think yet. Just please go read these things. Remember, this guy said, yeah, unless USA these big boys come in, I don't think this can affect gold rally. You can see people saying no. I explained what I think, what explanation it is, and what gold's going to do as a safe haven. I posted this. You can see on October 7th. Just when the start of the war, and I said, oh, what do you expect? And this is about what's this thing called, oil reserves for United States, right? And then the same thing last week, we had the 5-year credit default swap. CDS is pushing up. You can see this is the 10-year United States bonds, and the SVB market crash. We were at these levels, and now we're starting to push up. It's weird, like, why is price doing these things? And you just have to go and learn. Please go read my Twitter. I post a lot of things and I do a lot of explanations. See, media hype doesn't always shake up markets. Why does that? You have to, like, you have to get proper understanding and everything. I do look, you can see huge hourly earnings and what they mean. Additional headlines, jobless, 119,000. I did a full explanation of what everything is. So please just go read it. And if you have any question, just go out. You can ask or tag me or whatever. We need 5 minutes or something to close above. Stop saying Tunuk, you bugs. Yeah, let me play. Send me the Tunuk song again. Oh shit, okay. Let's go. Why is it showing? What the hell? Come on. Let's go. Oh shit! This is Nav's cousin, and this is Stack Gold. Okay, 5 minutes about to close on gold bullish. So multiple candles closing bullish, canceling these bearish candles out. It's actually showing good signs of price pushing up again. If this candle closes with no top wick, I'm just gonna leave the chart. There's no point in trading it doesn't make sense. And looks like it is. Never mind. And yeah, spun this shit. It's stupid. GJ is the only one that actually worked out. The one that's not during that time zone. Amazing. And US30 is pushing up. Great. I have levels, I have alerts for here. So if you guys like are in the Discord group, you can come and watch. And you will see the alerts. Oh, I need to mark the charts. Like, I haven't done a lot on Nasdaq. Above here, below here. I forgot to do any of these. Dixie just closed below 106. Gold bulls are not bad. Now this 5 minute closes above. It's just that this stupid candle. I'll wait for 9:30. It will be actually wouldn't be bad. Yeah, 9:30 wouldn't actually be bad. Then this is just pure projection of what price is gonna do next. Better PPIs here and here, and then price points pushing up. So people who did if you guys traded GJ, if you guys closed here, it's actually not bad. Let me see what you freaking melons are saying. Tunuk and Steam song. I should put that when I walk in, 75 retest could be long offers. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, it's just flipped. Whoa. Some candle patterns as a newbie or okay, look, candle patterns. Listen, the problem with candle patterns, they provide false expectations, right? Let me try to do some. Okay, here. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'll do some explanation later here. All right. So with problem with candle patterns is with candle patterns you see, oh, you're like, oh, price closed below here. You don't know the reason behind why it closed below. You don't actually understand the reasoning behind price closing above or below. Now, most people who just trade candle patterns, right? They come and see, they're like, oh no, price has pushed 167 million pips, let's buy here. And they ended up getting absolutely demolished. Same thing with people who just know fundamentals. They don't understand the candle patterns, like the logical reasoning of how candles move. So what you need to do is have a full combination of fundamentals and technicals. If you don't understand the reasons why price is going to do something, it doesn't make sense of what I've actually said this before. You don't know why it's doing that, and then you end up losing out on so many things because you don't understand the market. A lot of people who do ICT, right? A lot of them were selling around these levels. I have them on Twitter, bro. I can see the guy was like, oh, 87. It's FVG, WXY, BOS, MW56. I don't know. They have a million turtle soups and shit. And then they ended up selling these levels. They ended up selling at 90s. You can see it just messes them up. It messes you up for people with who do especially ICT, right? Or just support and resistance. Why do you have prices levels there? Yes, the price has reactions, but the fundamentals ends up pushing the price. It gives us the explanation of why the price is going to go to a certain area. You can't just enter for no reason. You can't see why price is going to push. Remember, the stock market is built to make money. If it's going the other way, like US30 is, right? Like Nasdaq, US30, if they're coming down, they have to have a reason. Remember, right? Remember, this is the stock market. This is the biggest thing in the world. No matter what invention you have, your inventions will end up showing as prices in this. 2009, US30 was at 6,700. Look at where we are now. Price has to push up, or else the stock market there's no point for it. Okay? You're not understanding the reason why price is doing it. It just makes you ignorant. It just makes you like leave out the logical reasoning of why price is doing something. Yes, fundamentals are the backbone and the foundations of the price movement. Yes, exactly. Technicals and fundamentals are both important. You have to have a proper understanding of why price is doing the same thing. Good. Now you see US30 is reacting. As long as it doesn't close above, we can have the sales we want. Perfect. And same thing with gold. Gold's about to close above. You have to have both of them. You have to have understand. It's giving insightful information. You guys are, yeah, exactly. I try to explain, but no one listens. I've shown. I'll try to show you guys some stuff later. Yeah. Okay, this is actually not bad. Like honestly, I would personally want it. It's just so big. The stop loss is quite massive. This is for US30, right? And also the fact that this 1 minute close, no bottom wick. Wait for price points, and then if this candle closes bullish, the breaks of this area wouldn't actually be bad. I'm still looking for sales. This is just a normal reaction. US30 does this shit all the time. Yeah, this is actually quite good. Yeah, wait. We need to see stronger bearish candles. So the next candle does a retest of 33,076. Good for entries. Price closure below 33,036. Good for entries. Now wait and see how market reacts at these levels. Like look at price how it's pushing, right? Okay, now for gold, price ends up coming down. I just need a decent bottom wick before having an entry. For US30, you can see just price came down to these levels and ended up retesting. Now wait for price reactions and closures below. We don't need something like this. We need a proper nice closures below. And for gold, I don't like this. This is just bad. It's reacting below this level. Or is it? It's reacting below this 19,700, 19,000, 1,976, not pushing above. Wait for price closures above with a decent bottom wick. Entries here, stop loss around 75.5, 75 at this next liquidity zone, and you can have nice entries to say 81. But you need price to show you some like proper direction, or else just don't enter like that. Same thing with US30. Now we can have a retest of 33,076 and then come down, or price closes below this level. Gold looks decent on 30. Yeah, can I buy your signals? I don't do signals. How do I make 2 screens on gold? You need to have pro, and then you can have these levels. Like you can do multiple. You can have 4, 6, whatever. Oh yeah, the good thing is on Dixie's, it's closed below 106. We can see price coming down easily, and bullish structure on gold. It wouldn't be bad. Remember, if tensions are coming down, both gold and dollar can come down at the same time. If like tomorrow we get a headline saying, oh, Israel and Palestine stopped going to war, this will come down, and this will come down. It's not that it won't, and it will just play out normal price action. Yeah, this is actually quite nice. This is so beautiful. Once I need price to close above this. Yep, perfect. Once price closes above or just breaks above this, not bad for entries. Yeah, US30 just ended up breaking and straight away coming down. I couldn't get an entry here personally. I had an entry here. I had break even because I don't know why I just moved it for no reason. Yeah. Let's go to gold, right? Yeah, price closes above the 5 minute closes above here. Amazing. Even a million times better. Yeah, US30 is beautifully pushed down. Retest of 33,075. I had an entry here, but yeah. I had an entry in mind. So gold is pushing nice. I need this candle to close above. This 5 minute to close above. Okay, actually not bad. First time, not bad. Wait for a bottom wick. Wait for a bottom wick to a retest of at 76.5, 76.7. And once you will have your stops around here. Once price, yeah, this is actually quite good. Okay, so for entries, this is the type of entry I will be looking for. Something like this. Okay, 12, 13 pip SO. Once price flips, it wouldn't be bad. But if price ends up canceling this out, just chalked. Close the charts and leave. Go home. All right. 12, 13 pip SO. Nice. Now let's see what the 1 minute's doing. We just this is fine. If the 1 minute closes below, it's okay, as long as we just close weak or like showing signs of like reactions. Yeah, stop loss around here. We need the next candles to just start pushing up. Should not cancel and come down below these levels. Nice. Showing good signs. You can hold this trade to 81 at least. But you have to obviously stay vigilant in terms of price action. This, you don't want to see shit like this. You don't want to see stuff like this canceling out and then just straight away coming back down. You need to see strong candles, strong bullish signs. Good thing about this is the 5 minutes about to flip. Previous 5 closed above. Stop loss should be around below this previous one. Price closed above this range. We can have nice push. Don't worry if like we have small fluctuations and reactions. But as long as the next 5 minutes or the next few candles don't close below and close below strong, we can keep this trade running to 30s. 81. And for US30, the good thing is we can have a retest of this level and start coming down. But hey, I'm not gonna enter anything now for US30. I wanted this entry and I just didn't get it. This is actually like, yeah, now this is what I didn't want to see in gold. Like this is the exact thing I didn't want to see in gold. I didn't want this previous candles to get fully cancelled out, and then the 5 minute just to come down and push further down. This 5 minutes, this 30 minutes flips, not good signs. We need the next few candles to push up and close above. Yeah, this is just chalked. It could just be a no trade day, or if you have just short, small loss, and then close the charts and wait for till tomorrow. It will be like, what, if you close now, it will be like a 4 or 5 pip SO. Yeah, I don't like the way it's reacting. It's quite shit. It could still push. I just don't like reactions of these. I need strong candles showing strong moves. Hey, if this candle pushes and closes above, keep the damn trade. If not, okay. Now if it rejects flips, close the charts, close the trades. Okay. Looks like it might, or it may not, I don't know. Let's see. The whole reasoning behind this was the 30 minute closed above. We could just see price push back up. We're canceling the bearish move which we had. Multiple rejections here. Yes, we had a retest of 70, but price could not sustain below. We came down to 75. We couldn't close below. it's just showing like, you know, price could push up, push down, you know. Well, no, push up. Now this 1 minute candle should not technically flip, but it's the 5 minutes about to close. If this 5 minute closes as is and that closes below, it's still okay to keep. I'm not like, how to say, I'm not that comfortable with keeping this type of trade. Yeah. All right, basically done for the day. Let's see what price does in the next candle, but until then it's just dead. Let's see US30. Yeah, US30, you saw it just pushed up. Well, we ended up breaking 33,000 and straight away pushed. Same thing here. Yeah, this is just bad. Let me see what you guys are saying. Oh shit, sorry. Okay. My name is Think Fast Astroverse. Yeah, I just joined the Discord. Let me see if I have the Discord open. Yeah, here. Guys, go in the chat. You can see that a lot of people joining in, saying hi and whatever. You can send your trade ideas. Like Think Fast is doing sells and break and retest, sell safer sells, longs above here, buys or retests. He just shows his trades he has taken, and I hope more people show their trades. Nav is also showing some, but yeah, requests to knock. Everyone's sending in their music. I hate you guys. I actually hate you guys. Yeah, anyways, just send your trade ideas and explanation. Don't send stupid shit here. If you want to just have like fun and chat up, just search, just chat here and ask questions. Tag me or anyone in the chat. If you guys see someone with a mod, you can ask them and then they will help you out. I'm done just a few hours ago. Yeah, nice. If you have any questions, just ask me. You think the Powell will pump gold? Yeah, and Powell doesn't want to pump gold. Why would you pump gold? He wants the dollar to be pumped. He wants this to be pumped. Now you push up. Now you push up. You mug. You absolute freaking mug. You think? Yeah, now you. Oh my god, I hate you, gold, so much. I hate you with passion. I absolutely twat. The 1 minute's now rejecting. This is chalked. Yeah, guys, join the Discord. As long as we reject this, the next candle pushes up, it's still fine. We should not have candle closures below. Close below, but it's might push. Gold's been acting up this, yeah. Okay, now lovely. Beautiful day. Guys, I'm just gonna call it for the day. If I can come tomorrow, I'll try to come too. 1,200 pips for the day. Have a good day. All right, cool. 1,200 pips. You mean 1,200 points on USD? That's like 120 pips. You caught the buys. Sorry. You mean you caught what? I don't understand. You said you got something. Just have like some explanation of what you caught. Don't just say you had an entry. Anyways, all right. See you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys learned something. If you have, yeah, 120 pips. Oh, that's actually decent. That's actually quite decent. If you learned something, please like and subscribe and share this stream if you guys can. And yeah, see you guys. Have a good day. Let me Put the music. Tunuk, 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 tunuk. Bye bye. See you guys. Like and sub, or else India will be coming after you.